Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Database Security and Maintenance. Database security and maintenance are pivotal components in the realm of AWS database services, given the critical importance of safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring the smooth operation of database systems. AWS offers a variety of database services, such as Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Aurora, and Amazon Redshift, each with unique features and capabilities. However, no matter the service, robust database security and regular maintenance are essential to protect data integrity, ensure availability, and maintain performance. Database security in AWS encompasses several key aspects, including access control, encryption, monitoring, and compliance. Access control is fundamental to database security, involving the management of who can access data and what actions they can perform. AWS Identity and Access Management provides fine-grained control over access to AWS resources, allowing administrators to define policies that grant or restrict permissions based on the principle of least privilege. This principle ensures that users and applications have the minimum level of access necessary to perform their functions, thereby reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Additionally, AWS provides features such as multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security by requiring 2 or more forms of verification. Encryption is another critical element of database security. AWS offers several encryption options to protect data at rest and in transit. For instance, AWS Key Management Service enables users to create and control cryptographic keys used to encrypt data. Amazon RDS supports transparent data encryption for SQL Server and Oracle databases, which encrypts the entire database, including backups, without requiring changes to the application. Moreover, Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon Aurora offer built-in encryption at rest, ensuring that data stored in these databases is automatically encrypted using AWS-managed keys. Monitoring is essential for detecting and responding to potential security threats. AWS provides several tools for monitoring database activity and identifying suspicious behavior. Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service that collects and tracks metrics, collects and monitors log files, and sets alarms. It integrates with Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, and other AWS services to provide real-time insights into database performance and security. Additionally, Amazon GuardDuty is a threat detection service that continuously monitors for malicious or unauthorized behavior, helping to protect AWS accounts and workloads. Compliance with regulatory standards is crucial for organizations handling sensitive data. AWS databases are designed to help customers meet various compliance requirements, such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. AWS provides detailed documentation and compliance reports to assist organizations in understanding how AWS services can be used in compliant environments. For example, Amazon RDS is HIPAA eligible and PCI DSS compliant, making it suitable for storing health and payment card information. Regular database maintenance is equally important to ensure the reliability, performance, and scalability of database systems. Maintenance tasks include applying patches and updates, performing backups, optimizing queries, and managing storage. AWS simplifies these tasks through automated maintenance features. For instance, Amazon RDS offers automated backups, which include daily snapshots of the database and transaction logs, allowing point-in-time recovery. Users can also enable automatic minor version upgrades to ensure that their databases are always running the latest, most secure versions. Optimizing database performance involves several best practices, such as indexing, query optimization, and monitoring resource utilization. Indexing is a technique used to improve the speed of data retrieval operations by creating data structures that allow for faster search and retrieval. Amazon RDS and Amazon Aurora support various indexing options, including primary keys, secondary indexes, and full-text indexes. Query optimization involves analyzing and rewriting SQL queries to reduce their execution time and resource consumption. AWS provides tools like the Amazon RDS Performance Insights and Amazon Aurora Query Plan Analyzer to help users identify and optimize slow-running queries. Managing storage is another critical aspect of database maintenance. AWS databases offer scalable storage options that allow users to adjust their storage capacity based on their needs. Amazon Aurora, for example, automatically scales storage up to 128 TB as the database grows, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Additionally, Amazon DynamoDB provides on-demand and provisioned capacity modes, allowing users to choose between automatically scaling throughput capacity or manually setting capacity limits based on their workload requirements. In conclusion, database security and maintenance are essential aspects of managing AWS database services. Implementing robust access control measures, utilizing encryption, monitoring database activity, and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards are crucial for protecting sensitive data. Regular maintenance tasks such as applying updates, performing backups, optimizing queries, and managing storage are necessary to maintain the reliability, performance, and scalability of databases. AWS provides a comprehensive set of tools and features to facilitate these security and maintenance practices, enabling organizations to effectively manage their database environments in the cloud. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.